In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add hashtags to your YouTube videos and how you can do that on mobile. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and download YouTube Studio. So you can see you've got the YouTube app here, which you can't actually do it on. You need to go ahead and download YouTube Studio. So go ahead and download YouTube Studio from the Play Store and then go and open it. Now once you've done that, you want to go to your videos. So click on the three dots in the top left hand corner, go to videos, and then you'll see your videos. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just going to add it to my most recent video here. So I'm going to click on the video. You can also search for it, and then you want to go to the edit tool, and then it will open a window like this. Now you want to click on the little pencil tool, and then you'll be taken to the description. Now what you can do is you can add any hashtags to that description. So I'm going to just go hashtag Twitch, because this is a Twitch video, and now we can go ahead and save that. So we can just go back here and then save in the top right hand corner. So now that has been saved, we can now go back onto YouTube, and we're just going to go to videos, and I'm just going to check that the hashtag is there. So we'll click on the video. You can see now that we've got hashtag Twitch in the title of that video, and that's all you've got to do to add hashtags on YouTube on mobile.